Hello friends, I am Rushiraj and today we are going to see details about different methods in the string. What mean by string? It is a combination of sequential characters, nothing else other than that. And we are going to see methods to which is used to make different changes in that string, and we are going to see details about that methods. There are n number of methods. I can't explain in one video, but I can explain it a basic few methods to you. Okay, first method is uppercase. What mean by uppercase? By using as dot uppercase method, you can convert all smaller case characters in your string into the uppercase. Next, lowercase. It is a opposite of uppercase method. In that method, you can convert all uppercase characters in your string into the lowercase. Next, array to string. String array to string. By using this method, you can convert character array into the string directly. Next method, to char array dot. All methods have common point. It is a dot. Means if your string name is s1 or s, then s dot method name. This is a common format for all methods. Next, we are going to discuss about dot array to string method. By using this, you can convert any array into the string. Next, to char array. By using this method, you can convert a character array into the string. Split dot split. By using this method, you can split string according to you, according to your choice. Means if welcome space to space Java, this is my sentence and this is my string. If I use a split space, single space, then the output will be welcome to and welcome to Java. These three words is become array string, array of a string. The index of welcome is 0, index of 2 is 1, and index of Java is 3. This is all about string to this is all about split method. Next, we are going to see about replace. By using replace method, you can replace any characters or any character into the your string. Means replace empty in their bracket m comma n. By using this, you can replace all m into the string by n. Next, equal to. By using equal to method, you can check content of your string is equal or not to other string. Compare to. This is also one method. By using this method, you can check your content of a string, but the output of compare to method is integer type. What does it output of integer? What does it use integer output? It is a give difference of ASCII value of that characters used. Next, compare to ignore case. By using this name itself content, it compare like compare to method, but all uppercase lowercase get ignored. Next method is, there are lot of methods. Just next method is dot is equal to signs. By using this, you can use equal to method but equal to signs take the reference of that string. If both strings are same reference, then it will results true or it will results false. It is these all types. These all methods are output of a boolean type. That's all. That's some of the few basic methods we are discussed. Thanks for today. Bye.